We just purchased this 10-pack of auto feed single line cord for our Black+Decker weed eater. And each of these hold 20 feet of cord. Let me show you close up. Here's a close up of what it looks like. And this is the back. This is also very easy to install. And my husband's going to demonstrate how to do it right now. You just put it through the hole, and simple as that. Now it is ready to go. This is such a bargain having a 10-pack. Definitely recommend it for your gardening needs. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.